Namaste, good evening.
Good
Welcome to
evening.
another interesting episode of Turiya Talks,
Yeah,
Mind Gym for Healthy Mind, a
true,
talk
very
about
true.
inspiring action through Mind Spa. So, we
Yeah.
all say that knowing others is intelligence, knowing yourself is a true wisdom, and mastering others is strength, but mastering yourself is true power. So, today we have very interesting personality with us, Ms. Dipti Panhalkar. Welcome to Turiya Talks, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, ma'am is a psychologist and neuro linguistic programming, what we call it NLP practitioner and coach. Ma'am, a very first question. Welcome to Turiya Talks once again. But desperate times call for desperate measures. As a psychologist, what do you think about it? And how can people put away any emotional difficulties unless it get worst? If you can just talk about it.
Basically, I would say first they need to understand the emotional challenges since this is a roller coaster of emotions. Lot of time now, even I do the counseling and coaching sessions across India, so I hear them. I think before sometimes Swiggy has done the layoffs, and I did a lot of counseling for the employees of Swiggy. So at that time, what would be the emotions at that particularly person's mind, right? So obviously not positive, but now we need to understand the hierarchy of emotions, so we are not experiencing so positive emotions, but at least we can reduce the frequency and duration of the negativity. That we need to understand. We can't experience so much positive emotion, but at least slowly step by step, so much negative, from less negative, then we can cope up, and then we can go towards the positive emotions. So I would say this is a journey, and most of the times some people are in a highly positive emotions, that also as a psychologist we would not prefer. Positive means very, very overconfident kind of thing, or over complacent, very pleasant, always in that way ki, they don't have that way enough stress or enough pressure to do certain tasks also. So those emotions are also not so good. So I would say we should be in between, so that way we can have that emotional power from within to complete our goals with a positivity that will affect you also, and that will affect others also, so the environment will get positively charged. Utna hona chahiye.
Right. So, what are the tips what people should do on hourly basis or on everyday basis to stay positive?
There are certain actually there are certain techniques even in our mind gym session also. What we suggest is something. First you need to recognize your daily emotions, कि आप कहाँ पे हो, कौन से इमोशंस को आप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो, rather. After that, once you understand your daily status, you need to check self awareness is the first step, right? After the self awareness, you need to understand exactly what steps you need to do, right? Sometimes paying down the difficult emotions or what exactly your conflict will help a lot to reduce the stress. Then secondly, we tell, like, as per different people in my mind gym sessions, I allow people to talk a lot about their past events. In first session almost 30 minutes they talk and I listen. Sometimes this therapy works a lot because they tell a lot of things, hurt, anger, जो गुस्सा है, जो frustration है, सब चीजें दबी हुई है अंदर, they can't tell in front of anyone else because people will judge me. Someone, what people will create that kind of impression, तो वो उनके mind में कहीं ना कहीं है, so they can't talk. In the session they can talk freely, and once they talk without any judgment or fear, that their half process is done at that time. And once they talk, then I step by step analyze कि उनको कौन सा तरीका इस्तेमाल करना है. And after that I give them the NLP techniques appropriately, wherein they can heal the past painful memory. They can reduce. एक कोई ऐसा हुआ है कि एक कोई इंसिडेंट्स ने आपके माइंड में इम्पैक्ट किया है, किसी ने इंसल्ट किया है, किसी ने बुरा बर्ताव किया है, पीपल माइट हैव नॉट ट्रीटेड यू वेल, और कुछ भी है, लाइक यू हैव लॉस्ट योर लव्ड वन, डियर वन, डेथ से. तो ऐसे कोई भी इम्पैक्ट सिचुएशन की वजह से आपका जो ये लॉस हुआ है, तो आप उसके साथ अभी कहाँ पे हो, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कोप अप विथ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो ये हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप करवाते हैं प्रोसेसेस विद इन आवर सेशंस. एंड देन वंस यू आर okay with all these things, then you can move ahead. I teach breathing exercises to stay positive. Then I teach meditation for 10 to 15 minutes. I advise on a daily basis. Everyone has to do. That is something that we need to observe our thoughts. We need to see where we are, what kind of thoughts, what kind of emotions I have, and then we can replace it with visualization skills. So these are all steps to stay positive, from awareness to change, to shift the distressing thought patterns.
How can people be always be self-motivated and motivate themselves if they can't be self-motivated always?
That's a really wonderful question, actually, because self motivated is something that which is very different. I mean, which is taken very differently in our society. कि बहुत सारे जनों को ये कंसेप्ट ये लगता है कि नहीं, उसको तो धक्का मारना ही पड़ता है, या उनको वो दे आर टेकिंग इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. फॉर एग्जांपल, सो मेनी वाइफ्स है, मेरे हस्बैंड को ना, दे टेक प्राइड इन दैट कि ये मैं ही सब चीजों के लिए करने के लिए लगती हूँ, राइट. सो
आपका हस्बैंड तो
उठाने के
सेल्फ
लिए.
मोटिवेटेड है ही है ना, बिकॉज ही इज मैरिड मिसेस पुणे
Exactly.
2012.
No, that's what, that is something, the pride for wives, और लड़कों के लिए भी, चिल्ड्रन के लिए, they say no, 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 मैं ही लगती हूँ. So for a lady sometimes that is become a pride. They are not self motivated and मुझे ही सब करना पड़ता है, that kind of thing. But we need to keep our mental set in a different mode as a lady also. So when you are running a household, you need to motivate them in a certain way that yes, sometimes positively, sometimes you need to be little, आपको आपका tone of voice according to situations थोड़ा बदलना पड़ता है, and वो सब आपको करना पड़ता है wherein they will take an action. That's all. It is all about how you inspire them to take the desired action. That's it. But keeping your mindset cool, because otherwise आपका बीपी हर रोज, because school exam ये सब चीजें रोज की है. You can't keep angry and outburst, वो नहीं हुआ action तो. Otherwise you will keep, आपका BP and blood sugar level and all वो up and down होता रहेगा. So first thing is, whenever you are motivating them, you need to be positive somewhere. You need to be action oriented. Somehow they will realize that yes, they need to take the action. Other person has to take the action in that way. Then you are an effective motivator or effective inspirational person, so that the other person will take action accordingly in that sense. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम
Hmm.
ऐसा होता है, सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड होने का मीनिंग ही कुछ डिफरेंट परसीव किया जाता है, लाइक दैट वे.
Absolutely right. इतना बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है ये, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या पूछें और आप
ग्रेट.
क्या सोल्यूशन दें.
राइट.
आप ट्रेनिंग तो बहुत तरीके का करवाते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए करते
यस.
हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स लोग के लिए करते हैं. तो वो कैसे
ट्रू.
आप डिजाइन करते हैं? अगर कोई कंसल्टेंट को ना अफोर्ड कर सके इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्राइस या इन टर्म्स ऑफ रीच, इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम, सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ चीज का कमी है. सो हाउ कैन दे डिजाइन देयर ओन प्रोग्राम? सो वुड यू स्पीक अबाउट इट इफ पॉसिबल?
Sure, why not? Basically, I have different programs. I design the programs. I am running Mind Spa from last almost 7 to 8 years in Pune. And when I started, I was working as an MBA lecturer at full-time faculty, and I always have the wish to start something on my own. And successfully, after the delivery of my daughter, I started this Mind Spa, and then I started receiving the calls from B schools, from companies, and I approached each and every opportunity I worked on, right? So most of the times whenever I have to work, I mean, I have to have good dialogue with a company official, exactly what they want for a 2 hour session or something, what is their outcome. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज आई अंडरस्टैंड देयर आउटकम कि क्या करवाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि पॉजिटिवली उनका माइंड जिम इज समथिंग दैट टू मैनेज देयर स्ट्रेस लेवल्स, और इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस के लिए मैं ट्रेनिंग्स कंडक्ट करती हूँ. तो फर्स्ट आई अंडरस्टैंड द आउटकम कि एक 50 लोगों का बैच कंडक्ट करना है एंड उनका ये आउटकम, उनको ये करना है. देन उनको मेडिटेशन सिखाना है, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट के टूल सिखाने हैं. तो मैं आई देन डिजाइन, आई सेंड देम द प्रपोजल, and then when I get invited there, I conduct with my full passion and zeal with that all, and I make the things so easy that everyone can relate with my trainings. एंड कंटेंट तो मैं डिजाइन करती हूँ एज पर माई ऑडियंसेस. स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कंटेंट अलग होता है, ऑफकोर्स ऑफिशियल्स ये जो कॉर्पोरेट प्रोफेशनल्स है उनके लिए कंटेंट अलग होता है, एंड फॉर इवन फॉर गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स रिसेंटली आई कंडक्टेड फॉर आईएएस ग्रूमिंग, इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो के लिए किया मैंने, दे इनवाइटेड मी फॉर मॉक इंटरव्यूज, तो वो फॉर देम ऑल्सो कंटेंट इज डिफरेंट फॉर देयर ग्रूमिंग, तो कंटेंट इज
अब
डिफरेंट, एंड
थोड़ा
एज यू
स्ट्रेस
सेड कि
मैनेजमेंट
समवन,
टूल, कुछ स्ट्रेस
या
मैनेजमेंट टूल के बारे में बात करेंगे।
yes, sure. Stress management tools, I have even designed some CDs also, audio programs basically. Stress management is what basically कि आपका एक past mind का conditioning है, right? एंकर पड़ा है अपने माइंड में, हम इन एनएलपी लैंग्वेज वी कॉल इट एज एंकर, सिंपली कंडीशनड हो गया है, कंडीशन यानी डेली है कि ये ट्रिगर आता है, ट्रिगर इज समथिंग दैट व्हाट प्रोवोक्स यू टू बिकम एंग्री और टू बिकम निगेटिव, तो एक ट्रिगर की वजह से वी ऑटोमेटिकली गो इनटू द इनर जोन ऑफ निगेटिव इमोशन, तो वो ट्रिगर पहचानना जरूरी है पहली चीज, एंड वो ट्रिगर का जो इन्फ्लुएंस है अपने माइंड से वो निकालना जरूरी है, because past negative things has happened already because of that trigger and all these things, but unless and until you remove that trigger का जो impression है आपके माइंड में वो आप नहीं निकालते, तब तक आपको आप दूसरी वे से रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर सकते, so you need to respond in a different situations in a different ways creatively. So stress management is nothing but you need to shift your conditioning completely, and you need to choose to be different. You need to respond to the same. Maybe the people will be same, situation will be same, the challenges will be same. Nowadays, you rightly said there are a lot of challenges for even business. Every businessman is going through this, entrepreneur is going through the stress, right? So what we need to do as an entrepreneur daily, हमारा, मैं खुद अपने mind के लिए daily I spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour for all these things. I do tapping, I do release, let go techniques. I create the thankfulness on a daily basis. I write grateful journal, what best is going on in my life right now. I do a lot of things on a daily basis. 20 minutes. I never start my day. I daily wake up around 4:30, and then I start my all these mind gym activities for myself. So there is nothing at that time. There is no like convincing anyone, promotion, no agenda, only my peace of mind. So daily I spend 20 minutes just observing my error, observing my breathe, and just 20 minutes spend with myself within my own internal world. जो कुछ है, जो yesterday हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, I just release that. Past का कुछ event carry कर रही हूँ क्या, I just check that. Any baggage, I correct my thought process. I do lot of exercise. I thank myself कि जो जो किसी न किसी वजह से कुछ रहा है, वो सब कमी मैं अपनी खुद के एंड से पूरी करती हूँ. आई देन डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि हाँ बाकी के कोई चीज, बाकी की जो वर्ल्ड है आपको लव देता है, रिस्पेक्ट देता है, दैट इज समथिंग बोनस. इफ यू डेली गो इनसाइड, इफ यू गिव लव टू योर सेल्फ, spending time inside is love, right? So you give your love to yourself is something that you are gifting a great thing to your life, your own life, what I believe. So daily ये सब चीजें करना जरूरी है, because unless and until you connect inside, you go inside, you check क्या है क्या नहीं है, कहाँ पे काम करना है, how is your inner journey and how you where you need to work, how will you go ahead. आपके साथ एक खुद का इमोशनल कनेक्ट नहीं बनेगा. एंड व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग व्हेन आपका खुद का एक अच्छा इमोशनल कनेक्ट आपके साथ होता है, देन यू कैन डू एनी चैलेंजिंग टास्क. आपका इमोशनल रेजिलियंस बढ़ता है. लाइफ में आपको कोई भी चैलेंज आता है, लोग कैसे भी ट्रीट करते हैं, समटाइम्स दे आर नॉट मच रिस्पेक्टफुल टू यू, समटाइम्स दे without any intentions they love you, but still they won't behave the way you want them to behave, then we keep hurting ourselves. तो वो सब कम होता है बात. When you spend time yourself, when you love yourself, all these things, you do small things for yourself, all these things.
छोटा छोटा चीज क्या कर सकते हैं लोग, इफ यू कैन स्पीक समथिंग इलेबोरेटली?
Two things I can say, what I use, self reward is more important, and self dialogue, giving yourself a wonderful rewards once you achieve even small milestones. You can even see here in this video, this rewards from external world. I've just kept it for my, I just look at it and I make myself feel pleasant. Okay, fine, that memories, all these things, one I have got in personality contest, some speaking contest and all these things. But irrespective of external world's rewards, you need to reward yourself. Once you achieve small goals, you need to reward yourself at that time. Okay, fine. अगर ये मेरे से नहीं हो सका, for example, then at least you need to understand what happened wrong exactly. You need to understand the cause and then correct the cause. But never keep blaming, and अंदर से एक anxiety worry है, keep blaming yourself, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा, that kind of thing, मेरे से आगे निकल गए. People do a lot of mistakes कि जो वो क्या करते हैं कि most of the times they keep comparing themselves with others. क्या ये इसने ज्यादा किया, ये उसने ज्यादा किया, एंड दे कीप उनको एक आइदर सुपीरियरिटी फील करते हैं या इंफीरियरिटी फील करते हैं, एंड दोनों साइकोलॉजिकल हेल्थ के लिए बेटर नहीं है. यू बी एट योर पेस, डू एट योर पेस. आपको आपका जो काम है रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, आपको अपने अकॉर्डिंग आपको रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे, मॉनिटरी ऑल्सो, फाइनेंशियल ऑल्सो. यू कीप योर फेथ and you keep doing your work with full of conviction, with full of passion and energy, because आपको एक action happiness मिलता है and outcome happiness मिलता है. So we in psychology we use two words. Action happiness is something right now, अभी आपने इंटरव्यू खत्म किया तो आपको एक हैप्पीनेस मिलेगा, मुझे एक हैप्पीनेस मिलेगा. दैट इज एक्शन हैप्पीनेस. जब लोगों के पास ये इंटरव्यू जाएगा, पीपल वुड लव, पीपल वुड गेट गुड इनसाइट्स from this talk dialogue. That is the outcome happiness, right? So see, this is something that people make a lot of confusion into this. वो सारा जो ये वो कहाँ पे लगाते हैं कि आउटकम पे ही वो सब लगाते हैं, सक्सेस वो सब आउटकम पे ही लगाते हैं. they don't take that sort of pleasure in the actions. वहां पे most of the times ये होता है. So if I
Right.
observe that कि action happiness करते टाइम एंजॉय करो, प्रोसेस एंजॉय करो. Right now I am also enjoying it, you are also enjoying the process, so this is the best. Outcome will be surely best when you are enjoying the process. Most of the times लोगों का कैसा रहता है कि they are only focused on कब होगा, पूरा कब होगा, पूरा कब होगा, पूरा कब होगा, and वो ऐसे घूमते रहते हैं, नो टारगेट एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट टारगेट, नेक्स्ट थिंग, नेक्स्ट, ये सब चीजें करते 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 दे जस्ट लूज द हैप्पीनेस व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, एंड देन उनका एक रोबो टाइप यंत्र मानव बन जाता है, लाइक दैट.
Right.
So this is what.
Will you speak about your journey as an entrepreneur because you started Mindspan 7, 8 years ago?
Yes, yes, surely. So I would say I just started. There was no godfather or nothing like that. I just started because I had internal wish. I want to create my own something. So this solo entrepreneurship journey, what we can say, passion entrepreneur. So I just started before 6 to 7 years back. But I had no references, nothing. But I started on my own. Just I started getting just calling up, then meeting directors. I started working with B schools. Then slowly, मेरा network बढ़ता गया, and then through references काम आता गया, and then I just worked with very renowned companies. Almost now 10,000 plus clients I have addressed, and I would be glad that recently I was interviewed by even Radio Apollo. One of my friend, वो जो वहाँ पे एलन एक्सेंटम करके उनका बेल्जियम में कोचिंग सेंटर है, we had tie up, and he took my interview on Radio Apollo, and I was able to take my work on a global platform. And even I have
Right.
some clients who are from US, UK also. I did conducted some counseling sessions from India. They got the good results out of it. And I'm really happy in what I'm doing, and I'm creating the results. So my work is for government officers, training programs, IAS officers, NPSC, for corporate programs, basically stress management, mind gym, and for even one-on-one coaching sessions, wherein my niche is basically on mind issues. So I help people to come out of their mind issues, just frustration hai, stress hai, to achieve their set outcomes, goals, how they can use the power of their subconscious mind. And I feel that I have used the power of my subconscious mind. It wouldn't have been possible these achieving all these things without that, because I keep visualizing all these things. I use all these things or techniques. मेरा day जब से शुरू होता है, I start all these things, write down my goals, keep visualizing, keep achieving. ये कभी कभी ये होता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ऐसे होता है कि आई हैव टू रीस्केड्यूल सो मेनी टाइम्स एज पर माय सन इज इन 10th, माय डॉटर इज इन सेकेंड, सो द हस्बैंड कीप्स ट्रैवलिंग अक्रॉस द ग्लोब। तो थोड़ा सा एक ये होता है कि ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड उनका स्टडीज एंड उनके एग्जाम्स एंड सो वो थोड़ा सा बैलेंसिंग कभी कभी होता है, बट दिस इज लाइफ अगेन, these are all responsibilities, priorities. This is something giving meaningfulness to my journey as a mother also, as an entrepreneur also, as a wife also. So something like in that way, as a daughter also. So somehow I feel that this is a combination of all things, how you achieve and what you achieve. So I feel that this may create a long term impact. I have touched to the by God's grace thousands of professionals with my counseling coaching, and I have even future plans also to conduct it at a global level, to go and conduct the global transformational programs, and more through my audio programs and actual programs also. So let's see, for European countries, I want to create more and more programs in future, next 5 years. That is my 5 years goals. Let's see how it
What are your final
manifests.
takes on Turiya Talks and your message to Turiya Communications and Turiya Talks family so that we can be inspired and we continue to do well?
Or rather, what I have also learned so many things from the Ria Talks first day itself. What I observed is it is very actually motivated. All the people of Turiya family are actually motivated. I could see that even within 5 to 10 minutes, response aa jata hai, right? So you are all motivated. You are all inspired already. So keep it up. Yahi mera message hai. Nothing else. You are all positive also. So whatever that I had from first day itself, including you and your team also. It's really wonderful team, and I have really good experience. I can't say anything. I mean, in that way, communication wise, attitude wise, they are all very receptive and they're very good. I hope that you will get maximum clients. मेरी यही इच्छा रहेगी, and you would serve. I'm sure about that. Your services are best.
So, on that note, we'll bring this insightful and interesting session to a close. I'm sure this episode with Ms. Dipti Panhalkar, I
Hmm.
am sure I would hurt few Maharashtrians if I don't pronounce her name properly. She's Panhalkar, what we call it in
Yes.
Marathi. It has been very, very
Yes.
knowledgeable, and I'm sure that every viewer should watch it and they can collect not information, it's very, very important from this session because you can increase your knowledge and you can definitely go for your own mind spa the way you go for your hair spa. So do share your
Yes.
opinion and let us know. and
Yes.
uh, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own Turiya Talks.
Yes.
Namaste till then. Thank you.